Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my latest pair of Nike shoes that I got recently. That is the Air Jordan 1 Low. If you're interested in watching this kind of video, please continue to watch it. I actually just bought this pair of shoes last night. I'm not sure when I'm going to release this video, but when the time I'm filming this video, I actually just got it last night. Let's have a look at what it is inside. Inside the plastic bag, we've got an Air Jordan Low box. I'm not sure the regular Jordan shoes is like that, but this is the box that I've got. Let's open it up. This is the pair of shoes that I got. By looking at the box, the color name is called Ashen Slate, or you can say white mystic navy. I would definitely say this is a color navy, but there is some grey undertone to it. I'm going to show you guys a closer look so that you guys can see and have a look at what it looks like. I'm guessing this is the traditional pair of Air Jordan Low. It will look something like so. We've got the color white and the color blue all over the shoes. And on the back, we have got the usual Jordan logo. And in some of the shoes, we've also got the Air Jordan logo as well. I've already tried this pair of shoes, I think, around 2 weeks ago. I was debating whether I should be getting it because I have so many pair of Nike shoes and I think it is quite redundant. I think at the moment, I've got 4 pair of Dong Lows and 1 pair of Air Jordan, but it is in the SE style. There are definitely some differences between the Air Jordan Low and also the Dong Low. But for me, I actually really love this pair of shoes because I think if you're going to compare this pair of shoes to Dong Low, it is definitely in the slimmer fit. This is a pair of Air Jordan Low SE shoes that I got last year. And I'm not sure if you guys can tell, this is not as thin as this pair of shoes. So they're definitely a little bit different. I've never owned a pair of original Air Jordan Low shoes. I'm really excited to try on this pair of shoes. Usually when it comes to Nike, I just pick my usual size. My usual size is in the European sizing, size 42. And that is definitely size 42. And I think it fits me perfectly. Yeah, that is in the US 8.5, UK 7.5, and for the European sizing, this is in the size 42. I've actually also tried on a pair of Dong Low last night, and that is very similar to this pair of shoes. However, I actually prefer this pair of shoes for some reason. I don't really like Dong Low in this similar colorway. I think this pair of shoes definitely look a lot better. I'll see whether Dong Low or Air Jordan Low, which one is more comfortable. As I've already told you guys before, I have the Air Jordan Low SE in the color grey, but it is a little bit different from this one. For that particular pair, I actually find it a bit more comfortable than the Dong Low. Not to say that Dong Low is not comfortable, it is of course very comfortable, but when you're comparing with that pair of shoes, I think that is very comfortable. That's why I'm really tempted to get a pair of Air Jordan Low in the original style, but I'm not sure about the comfort. But right now for this particular pair, I also go for my usual Nike size, and I think it fits perfectly. One thing I forgot to mention is that the reason why I got yesterday is because of the Chinese New Year sale. I actually got this pair of shoes with a 20% discount. Originally, this pair of shoes is around $849, but right now I got it for around $680, which is a huge bargain. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. If you do love watching this kind of video, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, comment down below whether you like the Air Jordan Low shoes, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye!